The power of African spirituality is echoing on all the places where we have been taken, whether that be in America, South America, whether we be in England, no matter where we are, that spirit is moving. So we are right now on the capstone right here in Ragaga village.
Ngwaiba kugenda hona kebo mu America kwebo mu America ya mashuma kebo mu Buraya kebo mu nse ya Africa ngwaibiri hona ngo mutwe buriyo nugwimuka ogwencheza yekira gushu ngukandi akatungutungu kabyo ngukaryaho mcharo cyane cyarugaka. So
I was saying to my brothers and sisters as we interact with each other that we have to walk as our ancestors walk. They always walk with the left leg forward. Why the left leg forward? Because we got to trample down the white evil, the white devils who's stopping our African spirituality. Then once we trample it down, then we will go forward. Our hearts will go forward to each other for us to know thyself. Wagaga village. May the spirit of our ancestors keep our village here for eternity. As our ancestors would say in ancient times, may the spirit of Ragaga fly on the wings of Ra for eternity. These wings will reach many of our people around the world. Peace, my brothers and sisters.